This video is about the renewable power source, solar cells and solar heaters. So how does it work? The sun emits radiation. Some of this can be absorbed by the solar cell. This creates an electrostatic potential between different layers of the cell, which drives an electric current. So if you look at the diagram at the bottom, radiation from the sun causes electrons to move from one layer of the solar cell to another. This causes that layer to become charged. It will become negatively charged and leave the other layer positively charged. This will give it an electromotive force. If you plug a cable into the negative side and the positive side, you can then have a current flowing. So when a complete circuit is attached, that current will allow electrical work to be performed in any devices attached to that circuit. So the advantages: it can provide power in places not connected to the national grid. It does not produce pollution. The running cost is almost nothing, and there are no fuel costs. However, the disadvantages are that it's expensive to build enough of them. Large areas must be covered in cells in order to produce enough electrical power. They only work when it's sunny, so not during the night, and also only slightly less in cloudy weather. And they cannot increase the power output when more is needed. So when it's the break in X factor and everyone wants to turn on their kettle, unfortunately, solar cells are unable to suddenly take more energy. Finally, solar heaters. These are simply black pipes filled with water. Because they're black, they absorb radiation from the sun more easily. This infrared radiation causes the water to heat up. This water is then kept in a hot water tank and used to heat the home.